Antonio Ernesto Anton Floyrendo Lagdameo Jr., born January 22, 1968, is a Filipino politician and businessman serving as the special assistant to the president since June 2022 in President Bongbong Marcos' administration. He was the representative of Davao del Norte's 2nd District from 2007 to 2016. He is the son of the current Philippine Permanent Representative to the United Nations, Antonio Manuel Lagdameo. He is a member of the wealthy Floyrendo clan in southern Mindanao and is married to actress Dawn Zulueta. As a public servant, Lagdameo's main focus was on rural and agricultural development, social conservatism, education and lifelong learning, tourism, and sustainable development. He is the largest individual donor to the 2022 presidential campaign of Bongbong Marcos, contributing more than Philippine peso 240 million to the campaign. Lagdameo was born on January 22, 1968, in the then municipality of Tagum, Davao del Norte, to Antonio Manuel Lagdameo and Linda Floyrendo. He is a grandson of Banana King Antonio Floyrendo Sr., one of Ferdinand and Marcos' cronies. Innately drawn to business, economics, and trade, Lagdameo finished his Bachelor of Business Administration from the University of Pennsylvania in 1989. In 2016, he was included in the prestigious Penn Notables list, a roster of alumni, faculty, and trustees of the University of Pennsylvania who served outstandingly in foreign government. He continued his education in 1998 at the University of Asia and the Pacific, earning a master's degree in business economics. Prior to his entry to politics as representative of the 2nd District of Davao del Norte, he was a successful businessman. He was a credit analyst for Manufacturers Hanover Trust in Manhattan, New York from 1989 to 1992, and after that of National Westminster Bank in New York for a year. He then became director of Cambric Trading Limited in London from 1993 to 1996. He returned to the Philippines and served as the vice president of Anflow Management and Investment Corp. in Davao from 1996 until 2007. Lagdameo was also a member of the Commission on Appointments, an independent body separate and distinct from the legislature, though composed of members of Congress that acts as a restraint against the abuse of the appointing power of the president by approving only those who are fit and qualified to ensure the efficient and harmonious functioning of the government. Lagdameo is married to actress Dawn Zulueta, with whom he has 2 children, Jacobo Antonio and Aisha Madeline. He is the current special assistant of President Bongbong Marcos. Welcome to the amazing world of Thousand Vlogs.